Hey, hello, and welcome back. Yes, we must look at the nails. I was doing them the other day, and I wanted to do something simple, but not simple on my other hand, because I hate doing complicated stuff on my non-dominant, or with my non-dominant. But I really enjoyed how those nails turned out. They're very cutesy. I'll try to link all the stuff that I used in this video, but all these brushes and the paint I used are my sister's. I was at her house one weekend, and I just decided that I was going to paint this picture with gouache. And then I made a super sketchy setup to hang my phone up. It was very, very sketchy. I almost tried doing it with notebooks, but the angles just weren't angling. But I got a bunch of these complementary colors, that she had. And then while I was mixing them, you'll probably notice later on, I didn't use the first, 3 colors. Because what I was going to do was use yellow and brown, that kind of teal color with the blue, and then the purple with, I think that's green, yeah. And then I don't know what happened. Something happened and my brain just didn't work. I don't know. It was weird. But I want to try gouache again. Because, I really enjoy it, but, I don't actually know what process to use. Or, how I go about doing it. I think I might need to search up some YouTube videos on how to paint gouache, because I was just kind of going with the flow. There was really no plan to it. I just kind of jumped in with some paint. But yeah, I was just kind of messing around trying to figure out what I was doing. If you see on the other page, that was from the last video. If you know, you know. But yeah, how's your day been, by the way? I know you probably won't reply or anything, but it's good to ask. Just wondering. So I wasn't really liking how it was turning out the first round that I went over it. And I know people will do a light wash over everything, but I was kind of trying to go with it. But I was like, nah, I like the thick layer of paint over it. Makes it more opaque. It looks more tasty to my eyes. Oh yeah, don't mind my big fat head in the way. This happens quite a bit. Just pretend, oh yeah. Just pretend I'm not there. Yeah, it'll definitely happen more, but whenever I put out my next video, I'll be at my normal setup, so my big forehead won't be in the way. Anyways, back to the timelapse. So at this point I was very sleep deprived because I just decided that I was going to make this YouTube video after me and my sister watched, what's it called? Hail Mary Project Hail Mary? There we go. And I was just like, painting sounds nice at like 1 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I think I tapped out like either right when I was about to finish this part, like this cat, or like kind of close to the end of whenever I was doing it, because I was like, damn, I'm getting really tired. I'm going in and out. But yeah, I took a little break and just came back to it the next day when I woke up. Off topic, but I'm so glad that I finally got off so that way I could go hang out with my sister. I used to go a lot more whenever I didn't work on the weekends, but I finally had a weekend where I didn't have to go to work and I could just lounge at her house, as in like a little vacation kind of. But it was great. We went shopping and we watched Hail Mary. She baked a cake. Her friends came over. We played D&D for like 5-10 minutes, and then my family came to say hi to my sister. But it was a very good weekend. I had much fun, and I hope I get another weekend off so I can go back, because I really like going over to her house and going and eating sweet treats. we're now cutting down close to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for coming back and watching my third video. Who knew? Here's the finished piece. But thank you again. I will see you next time. Bye.